I'm at the Yayoi Kusama Museum. She is an artist that's obsessed with dots. She's now in her 90s and still working in Tokyo today.
A short summary of Yayoi's 90 years of creating. Going down to the second floor. Okay, I'm in the lift, riding around. Right, I've been locked in this room. It's a sofa, a TV with Yayoi on it, a bookcase and a bed, and it's quite nuts. It feels, bizarrely, it looks intense, but it feels calm. Don't quite understand that, but I love it. I'm in the toilet on the second floor. And it is an intensity of dots as well. I think we need to change our whole home to have dots everywhere. They really are something.
There's a small gift shop. I'm sure I'll find something I like in here. Overall impressions. Well, it's a small museum, but it's fun. It feels good. It takes half an hour tops. Very strict. Can't do photography and video on certain floors, but the ones you can are great. If you're in the area, I would come. Definitely need to book online. I just saw two girls couldn't get in because they hadn't